I was hungry to try like bigger cases. Like I wanted to be a plaintiff's lawyer, and I felt like my path to that was making my name just beating them. And so I was like, eventually someone will say, hey, we should just hire this girl and take her out of the game, right? So I was trying scratch bumper cases. I did that for a couple years, and I was like, okay, y'all, I've done this. Like, I want to try bigger cases, and just didn't have that opportunity. Thought I kind of wanted to do employment law because all Black lawyers do employment law in Alabama for some reason. And I think what happens is because corporations have been tough on diversity, when you have, Black graduates, it's like that's the industry they end up in. And so a lot of my mentors were employment lawyers. So I wanted to either try catastrophic cases or do employment law. And the firm I was with didn't give me those opportunities. So I left and went to a firm that did, and then I hated it. And then ended up working with the partner who did trucking and loved it. Like I look back now and I'm like, please, Lord, don't let my daughter ever do this. But I was like on the road in the middle of the sticks, meeting with truck drivers. Like I remember riding through this street and seeing like white sheets hanging up. And I was like, are these people in the KKK? And I like texted my friends like, hey, I'm gonna text you in 2 hours. If I don't text you in 2 hours, I'm in this house.
It's funny. We had that same conversation with many people on this show. How many times we've all been out in site inspections or finding a witness and send a picture to a loved one and says, this is where I last was. I don't come home.
And because that was before I had a BlackBerry. That was before you could drop a pin to someone. You know what I mean? I had to print out my MapQuest directions.
Well, that's the thing. I know Bob believes in this too, and I believe in this big time too. And I think you do too. The lawyers in my office, part of the reason why lawyers come work at my office is because I will absolutely give them an opportunity to try cases immediately when they come to my office.